Alright guys, it's a 22 DD13 in the Cascadia. I'm doing a EGR actuator. It's behind this pipe. It's back there. There it is, right there. I'm going to be changing that out. I had a code for that. Checked all the wiring, got power and ground going to it, so it's bad. It says to replace it. That's what I'm doing. Alright guys, we get in there and get after it. I'm going to try and do it without taking this pipe out, but I might have to take that pipe out. I don't know. So, alright. So, be right back. Alright guys, I'm going to take this pipe out of here. It's got a clamp right there. And a clamp there. And a clamp back there. I'm going to have to take that out. So, I'm going to get after it. Alright, got the pipe out. Now I can get right to the actuator. It does have coolant lines on it, so we got to take those loose. One electrical connector that's already unplugged, so let me try and get to it. Alright guys, I got a couple of the bolts out. That bolt's just finger loose. Just draining some coolant out. And I'm trying to get the wire off the bottom of the heat shield. That's turning into a project by itself. But I'll get it. I'll get after it. Alright guys, I got the new one up in there. It's not tight yet, just one bolt started. So, not too bad. Not too bad at all. Be right back.